Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ikra Sarwar and I am from 4th year evening and my topic is open space model. Introduction. Over the past 40 years, the open field has evolved as a commonly used tool for the measurement of animal behaviors. Since its introduction some 40 years ago, the open field has attained the status of one of the most widely used instruments in animal psychology. Its popularity probably stems in large part from the simplicity of the apparatus, the ease and rapid measurement of clearly defined behaviors, and a generally accepted interpretation of these behaviors. In addition, certain of the measured behaviors are sensitive to a wide range of genetics, experiential, physiological, and pharmacological manipulation and are sufficiently reliable under standardization conditions to give repeatable measures on an enormous range of independent variables. Simplicity, ease of quantification, and wide applicability are therefore probably the prime determinants of its popularity. Originally introduced as measure of emotional behavior in rats, open field exploration has proven to be equally successful with mice. This test provides a unique opportunity to systematically assess novel environment exploration, general locomotor activity, and provide an initial screen for anxiety related behaviors in rodents. The originator of the open field was Calvin Hall, who used defecation in the open field as index of timidity. The open field is an arena with walls to prevent escape. Commonly, the field is marked with a grid and square crossing. In the modern open field apparatus, infrared beams with video cameras with associated software can be used to automate the assessment process. The open field box was constructed of wide polywood. One of the walls was clear plexiglass so mice could be visible in the apparatus. Blue lines were drawn on the floor with a marker and were divided through the clear plexiglass floor. The lines divide the floor into a 16 square. A center square was drawn in the middle of the open field. The center square is used because some mouse strains have high locomotor activity and cross the line of the test chamber many times during the test session. Also, the central square has sufficient space surrounding it to give meaning to the central location as being distinct from the outer locations. The open field can be of different size, small or large. The small open field can also serve as whole board and has test chamber for the novel object recognition task. The larger open field is used for measuring anxiety and exploration as well as locomotion as it has a large center arena. The open field test is an experiment used to assess general locomotor activity levels and anxiety in rodents in scientific research. It is a commonly used qualitative and quantitative measure of general locomotor activity and willingness to explore in rodents. However, the extent to which behaviors in the open field correlates with general locomotor activity in other situations, like in a home cage or an activity wheel, is controversial. Animal open field behavior. When placed in an open field, animals may display different behaviors. Some animals may display an exploratory behavior, tending to wander through the area to explore a new environment. Rodents will typically spend a significantly greater amount of time exploring the periphery of the arena, usually in contact with the walls, than the unprotected center area. Open space elect fear behavior in other animals that have an aversion to unfamiliar environments, and these animals will seek dark region of the protective area. Rodents that spend significantly more time exploring the unprotected center area demonstrate the anxiolytic like baseline behavior. The center area of the chamber can be defined by the experimenter as proportion of the overall arena size. Many software systems allow the researcher to designate this center area as well as multiply other regions of the test chamber to track exploratory activity. Anxiolytic effect in mice. The anxiolytic effect of the drug were studied by Bakewardy. They used a strain of Swiss albino mice and tested them with an open field test. In the open field test, the following parameters can be measured. Number 1, frequency of the line crossing, in which we observe the number of the time the subject crosses the grid line on the grid floor insert with all four of its paws. Frequency of central square entries, in which we observe the number of the times the subject enters the center of the arena marked by the square of the grid floor. Insert the time spent in the center of the arena is the duration of the time spent in the center of arena by the animal. Time spent close to the wall is the duration of the time spent staying close to the wall of the arena by the animal. Frequency of rearing behavior, the number of the time the animal stands on its hind paws. In general, unsupported rearing is a better measure of anxiety. Frequency of stretch attend postures, the number of the time the subject elongate forward its head and shoulder and re-stretch it. Other observable behaviors can include urination or defecation, grooming, and climbing behaviors. All of these could be incorporated to measure the animal's anxiety or exploratory level. In a study by Colores, they looked at the effect of a drug on anxiety using the open field test. The researcher used diazepam and chlorodiazepoxide, both of which are benzodiazepine and used for the treatment of anxiety. Both drugs cause a decrease in anxiety-like behaviors. For example, they reduce the number of stretch attempts and wall following. Diazepam caused alteration in sitting and grooming behavior, whereas chlorodiazepoxide lead to a shift in the locomotor pattern. Though both drugs reduce anxiety, they led to slight difference in behaviors, which can be important when considering which drugs to give to human patients suffering from anxiety. Another study by Cares looked at the effect of stress on the open field activity in the rat that were exposed to chronic stress act as a model of depression. According to the researcher, because of a prior history of stress can contribute to the development of depression. After being exposed to chronic stress, the rat shows lowered open field activity, which was the restored by chronic antidepressant treatment. Procedure: transport acclimated rodents to the test room singly if only one test chamber is available, or as a group in the home cage if several automated chambers are available for testing. Place each mouse in the center of the chamber. If the experimenter intends to remain in the testing room, care should be taken to be as distant and unmoving as possible. Once the test session has started, sudden motion or noise can greatly affect exploratory activity. Rodents are allowed to freely explore the chamber for the duration of test session. Each line crossed or photocell beam break is scored as 1 unit of activity. For assessing novel environment exploration, a 5-minute test length is typical. If the researcher is interested in examining habituation to an increasingly familiar environment, a 30-minute test session is recommended. Upon completion of the test, return the rodent to the home cage. In addition to horizontal units of activity, rearing behavior, defecation, and grooming activity can also be scored. These parameters provide measures of general physical motor abilities and level of interest in the novelty of the environment. Limitation and the strength of open space apparatus. The open field task is a simple apparatus that is both easy to construct and use. Since the apparatus does not require any pre-training, the evaluation can be performed in a much shorter time in comparison to other tests of anxiety. The simplicity of the apparatus make it easy to adapt it for different investigations, such as assessment of effect of aging, drugs, and lesion on behavior of the animals. Open field apparatus can also be used to evaluate social defeat, hopelessness, or novel object recognition tasks. Using the open field task, behaviors of treatment or disease model. Animal groups can be compared with shame a normal group of animals to help understand the behaviors of the former group and develop and improve treatments. Apart from testing the animals to the novelty of the open arena, animals can also have subjected to habituation tasks by reintroducing them to the arena. This allows improvement in the understanding of habitation behaviors of animals. Availability of actual open field tasks also allow direct application of the essay in human subjects with the capability of easy modification of visual environments. Through the open field task is straightforward and simple. Essay it is debated that it does not differentiate between anxiety and fear induced behaviors. This can be resolved by using 3D open field apparatus that does not provide any safe regions unlike the open field arenas wall. Further, since the open field task does not provide a scientific measure of anxiety, it is recommended that it should be used in combination with other behavioral essays. It is also important to remember that many different processes play into the behaviors observed during the task. Apart from these limitations, the handling of the animal, gender, and intensity of the light used can be influence the outcome of the open field test. Further, the apparatus must be cleaned before every use to prevent the influence of any lingering stimuli. Conclusion: the relationship between open field tests and other tests of exploratory activities such as elevated plus may have been analyzed in two mouse strains. Changes in these measures are often used to assess the sedative or stimulant effect of pharmacological agents. Newer attempts have been made to analyze the open field test by quantifying the animal's movement by movement developmental dynamics. A recent study was able to show the mouse exploratory behavior consists of sequences of repeated motion that increase in extent and complexity. Who presumed function is a systemic active management of input acquired during the exploration of a novel environment. It's all about open field test.